introducing Grox. He's going to be the host of introducing Jamie Moon. Alright, hello everybody. I'm here. And we're going to, you remember Tyler Rose? Well, apparently yeah. And, thank you. And, apparently, we're going to have a new person in for a week now.
Yes.
Her name is
Jamie
Moon.
Woohoo!
Alright, we're going to ask you some questions that all the fans want to know.
Oh, yes.
Okay, first question. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color?
Yes.
Red. What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Okay.
And, let's see. What's your favorite shape?
Favorite shape?
This is basic one.
Circle, because it never ends. What's your favorite shape?
Circle too.
Yes. High five.
Alright, okay. What's your favorite video game?
Favorite video game? I like Pac-Man. What's your favorite?
Mario. My favorite video game is Mario.
Am I allowed to ask you a question?
Sure.
What's your favorite food?
Saboya's pizza. And,
Pizza?
And chips and salsa.
Is it like Mexican pizza?
Mexican.
It is?
Yes.
Where else do you like to go to eat?
Saboya's.
That's it? Where else though?
Burger King.
And any place else?
I think that's it.
Do you like ice cream?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Vanilla.
What's your favorite dessert?
Vanilla ice cream.
What's your favorite dessert?
Oh,
Pie.
no. Yes, cake and Hershey's Kisses.
Ooh, when's your birthday?
July 7th, 1999.
Wow, you knew that. You want to know when mine is?
What?
August 24th, 1982.
Ha! You're gonna be longer than I am.
I'm old. I'm going to be 30.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Alright, and we're gonna
Any
meet.
other questions? Or are we good?
That's good. And there's more people introducing. You're gonna meet Annoying Bowser.
Oh my goodness. I thought this was all about Jamie Moon. What happened?
Yeah, it's my.
Oh my goodness.
You're meeting some people.
I want a refund.
Oh, who cares?
I want a refund.
No.
I thought this was all...
Hurry.
Hey, this is about Jamie Moon, not you.
Don't control me.
Ha 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 ha. I won.
Alright, you won. Alright, now I think that's all for today.
Alright, I want to see this video.
Right.
Alright.
So that's all for today.
Watch our videos.
Bye.
Bye.